Welcome back to TechScope, your daily dose of the future. Today, we're diving into the top 7 tech breakthroughs of 2025 that are going to change our lives forever. From AI revolutions to futuristic gadgets, this list will blow your mind. So stick till the end, and don't forget to subscribe for daily tech updates. First up, Meta is integrating AI chatbots into WhatsApp. Imagine chatting with an AI that can answer your questions, draft replies, and even create content, all inside your WhatsApp chat. This is not just convenient, it's the future of communication. Samsung is pushing boundaries with its transparent smartphone. Leaked patents show a device that looks straight out of a sci-fi movie, a fully see-through display. If this launches, it could completely change the way we think about design and user experience. Apple is rumored to release its AR glasses this year. They're designed to project digital content directly into your field of vision. Navigation, gaming, and even video calls could happen right in front of your eyes, without a screen in your hand. AI isn't just writing text anymore, it's making movies. New AI tools are capable of generating short films, music videos, and even animations in minutes. This could disrupt Hollywood as we know it. Amazon's drone delivery system is expanding. In 2025, more US cities will get packages dropped right at their doorstep in under 30 minutes. This isn't the future anymore, it's happening now. Elon Musk's Tesla bot, also known as Optimus, is being tested for real-world tasks. From lifting boxes to assisting in factories, humanoid robots may soon enter our homes and workplaces. This is robotics moving at light speed. Finally, quantum computing is advancing faster than expected. Companies like Google and IBM are racing to build machines that can solve problems millions of times faster than traditional computers. This could unlock cures for diseases, financial models, and more. So those were the 7 biggest tech breakthroughs of 2025. Which one excites you the most, AI on WhatsApp, transparent phones, or Tesla's humanoid robot? Drop your answer in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates every day. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.